Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video session I am going to solve week 6 assignment of advanced computer architecture. So let's start and see the first question. Select the correct option based on the following statements. Statement 1. For the compiler to do renaming, it need not to be aware of the details of the hardware at a level that is lower than the instruction set. Statement 2. Simpler hardware implies faster and more power efficient hardware. Here only statement 2 is true and that is false. It need to be aware of the details of the hardware at a level that is lower than the instruction set. Okay, so I select only S2 is true. Now moving to the next question, question number 2. Which of the statements below are true about predicted execution in VLIW processors? VLIW means very long instruction word. Now statement 1. It is a mechanism to mark instruction in the wrong path as invalid and let them pass through the pipeline in the invalid state, and that is correct. It is a mechanism to mark instruction in the wrong path as invalid and kill them, and that is not incorrect, it is partially correct. Okay, but here I only select only S1 is true. Okay, so only S1 is true. Now question number 3. In EPIC and VLIW processors where the compiler performs renaming rather than the hardware, the compiler code has low portability. Comparatively, the benefits of performing renaming and scheduling in hardware are higher than the cost. So here low and higher will be the correct answer. Okay, so I select that option. Now moving into the next question, question number 4. The dash processors are modern version of dash processor. In dash processor, the hardware assures correctness, sometimes at the cost of performance. Okay, here EPIC processor are modern version of VLIW processors. In EPIC processors, the hardware assures correctness, sometimes at the cost of performance. So friends, this option will be the correct answer. So I select that one. Now moving into the next question, question number 5. Select the most appropriate option based on the statements. Intel Itanium has 4 types of branch predictors. Statement 2. The compiler directed branch predictors are Intel Itanium make use of special register called target address registers, TAR. A R. Okay. So here both statement are correct. So I select that one. Now moving to the next question, question number 6. Select the most appropriate answer. Raster graphics is more preferable if we need to add effects to images such as illumination, shadows or blurring. Vector graphics is much better for stretching and transforming an object. These both are correct. Now statement 3. Using raster graphics, a rectangle can be stored in terms of its top left corner, height and width. Whereas in a vector system, a rectangle is stored as a matrix of pixels. That is not true. Actually, vector system using vector system, a rectangle can be stored in terms of its top left corner, height and width, whereas raster graphics system, a rectangle is stored as a matrix of pixels. Okay. So here S1 and S2 is true. That means only S1 and S2 are true. Okay. So I select that one. Now moving into the next question, question number 7. Which among the following programs is used for processing a set of pixels and applying various transformations? The options are rasterizer, tesserator, shader, none of these. Here shader will be the correct answer. So I select that one. Now question number 8. Which of the following are the functions of the pixel engine? Option are depth and color buffering, adding transparency effects, fog, computation. Okay, so here only 1 and 2 are the function of the pixel engine. So I select that one. Now get into the question number 9. Select the most appropriate option based on the following statements regarding the NVIDIA compiler NVCC. The GPU code is first processed by a C++ processor that replaces macros. That is statement 1. The code meant for the GPU is then converted into the PTX instruction set. That S1 or S2 are true. PTX is a CISC like ISA. with an infinite set of register? No. PTX is a RISC like ISA. Okay, so that is false. That means S1 or S2 are true. Okay, so I select that one. Now moving into the last question of this assignment, question number 10. Which of the following statements are true? Statement 1. A kernel is a function in QUDA code that execute on a GPU. A thread in the context of a GPU is a process running on the GPU that is spawned at runtime. A barrier is a point in the code where all the threads must reach before any of the threads is allowed to proceed past it. So here option statement 1, statement 2, statement 3 all are correct. Okay, so I select that one. So friends, I have completed this assignment. Hope this is benefited to you. Please subscribe this channel, like, comment if any, and press the bell icon to get the notification of upcoming videos. Thank you. Jai Hind.